Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to redeem your Steam gift card online. So let's get started right away. First of all, launch open a web browser of your choice and then go to the search box and type in store.steampowered.com and press enter on your keyboard. Doing this will take you to the official site for Steam. Now you can go ahead and log into your account if you have not done so already, and after you are logged into the account, scroll all the way down from the main homepage and then click on this gift cards option. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in this page where you can redeem your physical gift card. Simply click on the continue button under redeem a physical gift card, and then on the next page, go ahead and enter your gift card number for Steam in the text box. Scratch off the foil on the back of your physical gift card to reveal your code, and once it is revealed, type it in the text box without any spaces. After you are done, click on the continue button and then you will be able to redeem your gift card. Make sure the amount in currency matches your gift card, and then once the redemption is completed, you can use it to purchase games, software and other items on Steam. So that's how easily you can redeem your gift card on Steam within a few minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you will never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.